Over in Whitesboro, Texas today, a suburb that's just outside of Sherman, Texas, and about an hour north of Dallas. And if you're home shopping in the North Texas area and you don't want to pay the premium prices, much like you're seeing in Frisco, McKinney, Prosper, or Salina, Whitesboro's offering you amazing homes at really low prices right now. Well, speaking of, today I'm taking you through my newest listing in Whitesboro, Texas that is priced to sell and ready for its next homeowner. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Mike Harrison, a local realtor here in North Texas, and I've helped many clients buy and sell all over North Texas. If you want to know what it's like to work, live, and play in the Dallas Metroplex, go ahead and hit subscribe, support the channel, and stay tuned for videos every Sunday and Thursday. To kick us off, let's go and dive into a quick overview of Whitesboro. Whitesboro is located in Grayson County and has a population of around 4,500 people. It's located along Highway 82 and is approximately 20 miles away from Sherman, Texas. It has a total area of 3.3 square miles and is located approximately 15 minutes away from Lake Texoma Access, 68 miles away from the American Airlines Center for Dallas Mavericks and Dallas Stars games, 81 miles away from AT&T Stadium for Globe Life Field for Dallas Cowboys and Texas Ranger games, as well as some of the biggest concerts every year, and is 81 miles away from Six Flags and Hurricane Harbor water parks. If you need to travel internationally, you're only 68 miles away from DFW International Airport. And in 2023, there were 128 homes sold in Whitesboro with a low of $55,000 and a high of $7,451,580, with a median sales price of $292,250, according to the raw data in the MLS. Full disclosure, the home that sold over $7 million, along with the 12 other homes that sold for over $700,000, had a large amount of land associated with it, as there are many ranches in the area. As far as Whitesboro Schools, Whitesboro Independent School District has received a B+ overall grade from niche.com and is ranked the 4th best school district in Grayson County. It scored a B+ in academics, an A for teachers, a B+ for clubs and activities, a B+ for diversity, a B- for college prep, and a B for administration. Whitesboro has a student-to-teacher ratio of 16:1, with 1,720 students in from pre-K to 12th grade. Now that we've gone through an overview of Whitesboro, let's go and check out this home tour. This is another one of my listings with the ROI guys. You've seen them on the channel before, and if you've ever been curious about the behind the scenes of real estate investing, be sure to give them a follow. I'll see you guys at the home tour. If you're in the market for a cozy, quiet area with a 4-bedroom home and a backyard big enough for your dream projects, you're in for a treat here. This is a fully remodeled home that offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,700 square feet of living space, and over a half acre. Let's go and have a look inside. As soon as you walk in, you're going to immediately feel at home and notice the shiplap accent walls in the living area. As we head into the kitchen, you're going to notice an upgraded gas stove and plenty of other modern finishes in here. Then we transition over here into the dining area, big enough to host the extended family for Thanksgiving. And then our master bedroom offers his and her closets, as well as plenty of space for a king-size bedroom set, and overlooks the front yard. And as we head to the backyard, you're going to notice plenty of space for your outdoor dream projects, whether it's a pool, a basketball court, a shop, outdoor kitchen, whatever you'd like to do back here with no HOA approval needed. Or maybe you'd just like to sit in your back patio and have your morning coffee. All right, so guys, this home is offering 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 1,700 square feet of living space, and over half an acre, and we're coming in listed at just $290,000. Let's go ahead and cut back to the next scene, and we'll break down the monthly payments. Full disclosure, I am a realtor, not a loan officer. This is just using some basic math with the current interest rates. And at the time of making this video, interest rates are hovering around 7%. If you were to make a conventional offer at asking price, putting 5% down, that's a $14,500 down payment on a 30-year fixed rate at 7%. This brings our principal and interest payment to $1,835. Taxes in 2023 had around a 2% tax rate for the year, so let's estimate about $5,800 in annual taxes, bringing us to an estimate of $43 a month in taxes. Again, this could be higher or lower depending on the tax value for 2024. Let's ballpark premium homeowners insurance at $227 a month. This could go up or down depending on your insurance agent. And since we are putting 20% down, let's ballpark mortgage insurance at $201 a month as well. We're looking at a monthly payment estimate of around $27.46 a month. And if you were to put 20% down, that would be a $58,000 down payment, and it brings your principal and interest down to $1,545 and knocks off your mortgage insurance. So that makes your monthly payment around $22.55 a month. And you've heard me say before, again, these are just some ballpark estimates. I'm not a loan officer. I'm just selling the houses. Now let's check out some of the main amenities or attractions in the Whitesboro, Sherman, and general North Texas area. We can't mention local attractions in Whitesboro or North Texas without mentioning Lake Texoma. This is one of the largest man-made lakes in all of Texas and one of the largest reservoirs in the U.S. You can access the lake on the northwest side of Denison or just north of Whitesboro off Highway 377, and it's great for bass and striper fishing, water sports, jet skiing, boating, tubing, and camping. There's also great golfing over at Tanglewood. The lake is a staple for Denison and the overall North Texas community. It's a great tourist spot and huge for the local economy. And this area of Denison has so much intrigue, the city just approved the Schuler development, which is now called Preston Harbor, a project that's expected to double Denison's population. This is a 3,100 acre community that will include retail, restaurants, boat slips, and a resort, and is led by none other than David Craig, the developer of the massively popular Craig Ranch in McKinney, Texas. This is a monumental project for North Texas and is one of the largest land purchases in Grayson County history. It's estimated that this project will bring around $6 billion in ad valorem value for the city of Denison. About 20 minutes away from Whitesboro's Heyday, Heyday has plenty of things to do for kids and adults. Arcade, laser tag, you have a bar and restaurant, outdoor seating, live music, and it's a great place to watch Cowboys games or big UFC fights. It's right next to Urban Air. Urban Air is crazy fun for kids with trampolines everywhere, but it's also crazy overstimulating for parents. This listing is also less than 15 minutes away from the Sherman Town Center. In the Town Center, we have Cinemark theaters, plenty of retail stores here with Best Buy, Home Depot, and many clothing retailers. And of course, you must have a Chick-fil-A and Chipotle in your town centers. Denison's only about 20 to 30 minutes away from Choctaw Casino and Resort. This is truly a world-class casino in Durant. This is in the very southern tip of Oklahoma and one of the biggest draws for local attractions. You have 100 table games, 7,400 slot machines, a state-of-the-art poker room, 16 restaurants, 6 movie theaters, a massive arcade and sports bar. And for that weekend resort getaway, you can stay at the Sky Tower, where you can enjoy private cabanas, 1,700 hotel rooms, and a pool that you'd only see in Las Vegas, built by a local pool builder that grew up right here in Denison, Texas. And speaking of that major announcement that we were talking about, going back to Lake Texoma, weekend getaways, and the Preston Harbor project, it was just announced by the city on December 19th, there has been an agreement for a $100 million Margaritaville resort to be built in the development and onto the lake. This resort will include between 250 and 280 hotel rooms and add about 300 jobs. More details of this project will be coming soon, but as you can imagine, this will transform the look and feel of this town. And if you know anything about the growth of a city, think about McKinney or Frisco spending the last 2 decades, you know this home is surely going to appreciate very well over the next 5 to 10 years. Downtown Sherman hosts the widely popular hot summer nights between June and August every year on Thursdays of every week. Another benefit of purchasing this home is you're only about 20 minutes away from Texoma Medical Center. This is the largest hospital from here to McKinney. So guys, that's going to close us out on our latest house tour in Whitesboro, Texas. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Do me a favor, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about this property or any other property in North Texas, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact info is pinned in the top comment below. And lastly, if you want to see what another great North Texas suburb is like, check out this video by clicking here.